Hi guys, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how to concat two lists of items and remove the duplicates from them. So let's get started. So here as you can see I have two lists of items which is of type integer, and there are some items been repeated in both the list. For example 3, 4, 5, 7 is repeated in list 2, and you can see over here 5 is repeated in list 2 itself. So I want to remove the duplicates and keep only one, and it should be unique. So to do this we can make use of sets in Dart. So let's check out how we can make use of that. So here first of all I need to convert this list into a set. So for this we can make use of sets class. So we can just make use of set something like this, and we can just declare a data type, and I will just name it as set1 and list 1 dot to set. So there is a method called as to set to convert a given list into sets. So by this we will get sets format of this list, and this should be applied for second list also. So I will just copy this code, paste it over here, list 2. Okay, so now we have converted both the list into sets. So we can just apply sets in, methods like union to get the unique data. Okay, so let me show you how we can do that. So sets of type integer, and I will just name it as unique set is equal to set1 dot union. So this is the function that we can make use of to find the unique item, unique, and here inside this parameter you just need to pass set2. And now finally we need to convert this set into list again. So for this we can make use of list integer unique list is equal to unique set dot to list. Okay, so now if I print this unique list, we will get the unique data been concatenated from both the list. Okay, so I'll just run this. So you can see the both the list got concatenated and the duplicate items are been removed from this. So each and everything is unique over here. So that's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Proto Code. Thank you.